What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be talking about Cardano wallets. So Cardano Daily on Twitter posted this tweet, wallet landscape on Cardano. I'm assuming they gathered most of the Cardano compatible wallets. I think there's actually a few extra, but this is one of the main ones that supports Cardano tokens. So in this video, actually, I'm going to be talking about specifically only 4 wallets. They are my favorite ones because you can store Cardano tokens on them, and not just Cardano or ADA, also Cardano native tokens such as Pavia, Cornucopia, MintSwap, or any other Cardano native tokens, and they are compatible with the smart contracts, so you can store Cardano assets such as NFTs. And every wallet that I'm going to be talking about in this video, I already made a video step by step on how to use that wallet. I'm going to leave all those links in the description below, and you can watch and learn how to download, set up, install, and use. So the very first one is going to be Eternal. So this is web-based wallet. As you can see right here, once you're going to go to eternal.io, you'll have to press on add wallet, create a wallet, set up, save your recovery phrase, and this is what you're going to be presented with. That's pretty simple interface, your wallet, your account, total balances, transactions, send, receive, staking, and then the token list. This is where all of your NFTs is going to be stored, and etc. The second wallet is going to be Jira wallet. So Jira wallet is a extension based, so it's going to be like a little app. This is what it's going to look like, and the same thing in here. You can buy, send, and stake, and then you can also hold NFTs using this wallet. Then the third one on my list is Flint wallet. So Flint wallet, also extension based, similar to Jira wallet, just different functions and features in here as well. Same thing, you can store Cardano and Cardano native tokens and assets such as NFTs. And very last one that I'm going to be talking about is Namey. This is my favorite one. And you might disagree with me. I've heard some people had issues with Namey wallet, but the reason why it's my favorite one, so far I haven't had any single problem with this wallet because I've been using this wallet for over a year probably now, and I've minted so many NFTs using this wallet, and not even a single time I had issue with this wallet. One thing though, I'll let you know, if you decide to use secret recovery key or recovery phrase with another wallet, and you can do that, but then Namey is gonna give you error, is gonna tell you that your secret key being used in multiple different wallets. So this wallet is actually gonna look like this because I already have installed on my system. Pretty similar interface to other ones. As you can see right here, send, receive, all the tokens that you have, ADA and the native tokens as well. Then your NFTs, if you press on this little joystick, you can see right here all of the NFTs that are in my wallet, and then transaction history, every single transaction that happened with this specific wallet. And I know there are many more Cardano wallets or that supports Cardano, maybe are better, but I prefer this 4 specifically because I've used them to purchase ADA, purchase Cardano native tokens, and then Cardano assets, and I've used Namey to mint many NFTs. And so far I haven't had any issues, and I also use this wallet on decentralized exchanges such as SundaeSwap, MintSwap, never had any issues as well. And this is pretty much it. All the links I'm gonna leave in the description below, and how to use all the wallets as well. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.